ICC T20 World Cup 2024 India vs England semi-final playing 11 comparison. Indian playing 11. Number 1 Virat Kohli. Number 2 Rohit Sharma. Number 3 Suryakumar Yadav. Number 4 Shivam Dube. Number 5 Rishabh Pant. Number 6 Akshar Patel. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Hardik Pandya. Number 9 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 10 Arshdeep Singh. Number 11 Jasprit Bumrah. England playing 11. Number 1 Josh Butler. Number 2 Finn Salt. Number 3 Johnny Bristow. Number 4 Henry Brook. Number 5 Moeen Ali. Number 6 Livingston. Number 7 Sam Curran. Number 8 Jofra Archer. Number 9 Chris Jordan. Number 10 Adil Rashid. Number 11 Rhys Topping.